Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. The Samsung S10 Lite has been around for 6 months now, and I've just got one for myself now. I've spent over a week with it as my daily driver, and there are things I liked and things I didn't like. Let's start with what I liked first. The display. The gorgeous AMOLED 1080p display was a delight to use, especially while watching videos, and it got very bright as well. It has excellent sunlight legibility, and I had to crank the brightness up to only 70% to view it under direct sunlight. The performance. With 8 GB of RAM and a Snapdragon 855 processor, its performance was nothing short of brilliant. The animations are very fast, and app opening speeds felt lightning fast, and even with 25 to 30 apps open constantly, it never slowed down even once. I did play Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 at high graphic settings, and it played it without any effort. Gaming on this phone was also a brilliant experience. The camera performance. It is equipped with three cameras in the rear, a 48 megapixel primary, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. What can I say? The camera performance in daylight was brilliant, with plenty of details and vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. Every time I saw beautiful scenery, I was tempted to take the shot as the camera delivered brilliantly. This is the first time in a long time I used a camera I felt like using regularly as it was so good. The selfies also came out sharp and detailed, also maintaining the details in the background. The macro shots on this phone also come out really crisp and detailed, and this is leagues ahead of most of the useless 2 megapixel macros found on most phones. The camera in daylight is a massive thumbs up from my side. The video quality. The S10 Lite shoots detailed and sharp videos at 4K 60 FPS in the rear camera and 4K 30 FPS in the selfie camera. Overall, very satisfied with the video quality and also the audio quality as well. Surprisingly light in weight. Despite housing a fairly big 4500 mAh battery, it was surprisingly light and felt very easy to hold and not one bit bulky. The weight distribution has been done very well. Excellent call quality and reception. No complaints over here. The calls were very crisp and clear, and the network reception was equally very good. Now, moving to the area of typing. The Samsung keyboard was a lot more precise compared to the Google keyboard, and I rarely made any mistakes while typing. I really enjoyed typing on this phone, thanks mainly due to the good haptic feedback. The battery life. I'm going to say this. This phone's battery life was nothing short of phenomenal. When not playing games, the phone can easily last a day and a half and give a screen on time with casual usage of 8 hours, and even while playing games, getting through a full day was very easy, and 7 hours of screen on time was achieved consistently. In the case of me running out of battery, the supply 25-watt fast charger charged it back from 15 to 100% in just 1 hour. Now, moving to the things I didn't like. The overall feel. Due to this phone's back being made of polycarbonate, it didn't feel premium. Many phones like the OnePlus 7T and the Realme X2 Pro, which cost a lot less, felt a lot more premium than the S10 Lite. In terms of the overall feel, it looks and feels a lot less expensive than its price. The idle drain. I was not one bit happy with this phone's idle drain. It was consistently losing between 5 to 7% of charge in 7 hours, which was a lot higher than the majority of the Android smartphones. Very average night mode. The low light camera performance is very good when there is enough light. Once the light dips and with the night mode required, in such cases the night mode disappoints and lands up taking very average images, which land up looking quite blurry. The UI. Coming from stock Android, the One UI here, although feature-rich and stable, had its quirks. It didn't feel as simplified as stock Android. And when I swipe to the left, Samsung Daily, Samsung's version of the Google Now, is simply useless, and I found it annoying. Even the gestures on One UI didn't feel as seamless as stock Android. Plus the bloat Samsung baking all their system apps into it. which were another version of Google's apps, didn't really serve any purpose. Overall, it's a skin that takes a bit of getting used to. The speaker. The single downfairing speaker is adequately loud. No complaints here, although I would have preferred it to be a front-fairing speaker, as the effect is more immersive, especially while watching videos. Now, to conclude, for people looking for flagship performance, excellent battery life, brilliant camera and video performance, and 3 years of guaranteed Android major OS updates, the Samsung S10 Lite, starting at Rs 43,000 for the 8GB RAM 128GB variant, is the best all-round value for money flagship Samsung smartphone available right now. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that you all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they are uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.